Hi, I'm Regina Dunn, graduate of the class of 1988, much younger than some people around here, but
hey, you talking about me?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm Marylou Jansen, class of 1979. I'm a past coach here, lifelong educator, and have worked with many of you student athletes out there in the past. Like,
if you think I was old, she coached me, so there you be.
Anyway, we're here today because we want to talk about the new Falcon Fitness Center, and we just took a tour. I hadn't seen it yet. It's a phenomenal space. Everything is there, ready to be filled, and really it needs to be filled with a lot of great things, with a more kind of 21st century workout.
Absolutely. As a coach, I'm so excited because just looking at it and what the purpose is going to be, it's going to elevate our workout ability to create dynamic workouts as opposed to just weightlifting. And it's going to do so much more than just, establishing that work ethic. It's also going to give us the opportunity to, deal with a lot of mental health issues that we were dealing with at this prior season.
To step in.
Oh, sorry.
Do you remember some of the old fitness stuff?
Oh, yeah. Well,
that was bad.
Well, actually, Lou, we have to be creative in our day. You guys, seriously, I'm really going to be excited because when we were playing with Lou, we had like nails and hammers and boards and dowels we had to roll up to strengthen our arms and everything.
Crazy.
Yeah, I think my dad even made we could do it. We were MacGyvers.
All of you.
But this is just seriously,
awesome.
I'm going to be an even better coach. I can't wait.
Anyway, back on the mental health.
Mental health.
Yeah, it's become such a big thing, and a bigger part of being an educator and everything that they're trying to do here at Divine Child. And so I know this wellness center means a lot more than just physical fitness and wellness. It means mental health wellness too. And we know that physical fitness helps.
We know from research that they're life lessons. We need to impart this with our women, our children, our students, because this is going to be their overall health in their future, not only just athletics, But we need you.
We need you.
We
so
need you
all you alumni, old people, whatever you want to call yourself,
people.
Grandmothers, mothers, sisters, aunts, whatever. We need you because we're competitive.
Yeah.
I don't know about you.
Yeah. So every dollar that you have, Lou matches. No, I'm just kidding. No, the Alumni Association. Sorry. Is going to match, and we really need you to pitch in and
we're hoping for
answer
girl
the
power.
call.
Girl power, right here. We want the women to kind of step up and give some dough.
And you know who you are, those of you who are really successful. We know
give a little
because the Alumni Association puts your name down, so you know.
No, but if you recognize us at all, because we're old, please give back to this great school, and we're certainly part of that legacy and want you to be part of that moving forward. So
go Falcons.
About it. Go Falcons.
Go Falcons.
Love it.